Hey!
What?
Don't look at me like that. What's going on?
So we're fine. We're just having a moment.
We're just like two best friends trying to argue right now.
2022年6月26日晚上11点左右，在俄克拉荷马州的一家沃尔玛超市的停车场，有2名女子在大声的争吵，并且有肢体上的冲突。在接到报警电话后，2名警员赶到了现场。
Yeah, you guys been drinking?
No,
we're just
but
really
like we're
having
in
a
a heated
moment.
argument, and it's not
We've been at the
going good with
lake.
like
We've been at the
putting
lake.
on
We just
spot
having a
like
moment.
this.
We just had some boys getting in between us, and they're really getting in between us, and we're just trying to figure it out.
Where are they at?
I mean,
They're going now.
gone,
They're at their
obviously.
house, but I don't know.
6:14, 22.
Like,
So the boys,
They're
y'all both
gone.
like the same boy.
No, we don't
no,
like the
we
same
don't
boy,
like the
but they're
same
like two
boy.
best
They're
friends.
two best friends. We're really homies.
在简单的交谈过后，警员察觉到了2个女孩喝了酒，并且她们看起来很年轻。对于她们是否达到了21岁的法定饮酒年龄，警员表示怀疑。
Is that your car right there?
Yeah, that's my friend.
Anybody else in the car in there?
No, there's no one else in the car.
Okay.
We left
Stop.
in his house.
Y'all high?
I'm
No.
definitely not high, bro. I'm a CNA. I work as a
Obviously,
CNA.
Yeah.
I'm just very emotionally distressed because it's Father's Day, and honestly, like about a week ago, like 4 days ago, was Father's Day.
Her
I'm
dad
just
died.
really
Okay.
stressed.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure it out with my best
Okay.
friend. We've been going through it. We've got something going on.
What can we do to help you?
I mean, you
just-
can't do anything to
nothing,
help
I
a
just-
girl's dad dying, right?
Okay, let's not be a smart ass. As
I'm
far
just
as what's
saying,
going
bro,
on
like,
right now.
You see, she's breaking, and like obviously we're
It's
two
not
going
that
through
big of a
it.
deal. I'm just trying to make sure
Yeah,
my best
well,
friend's
I'm just
alright.
telling you, you're causing a disturbance in the parking lot. We're getting called over here, so we're
I
gonna
mean,
come
those
over.
people
Understandable.
literally okay.
Understandable.
Hey, what's your name? You got your ID on you? Let's go this route.
I don't have my car. I don't have my nothing. I don't.
What's your name?
literally
What's
have
your name?
nothing. Belle.
Bell, what?
Belle. Belle. Like the
Okay,
princess.
and your last name?
Albertson.
Okay. When's your birthday?
I mean, does it matter?
Yep. Turn around, put your hand in my back. We're gonna play that game. You don't want to give me your info, then we're just gonna go
I
this
literally,
route.
okay.
That
Annabelle
right.
Albertson, like you
You're
think,
done at
bro.
this moment. I'm not gonna play games with you and keep playing.
You're going through two best friends in a distress right now. Like you're
Yeah.
not even caring to ask.
Oh, we're asking, all right, but you're the one.
You're
issue.
asking what my last name is, bro. Okay.
I'm not your bro either. Let's get that straight.
I don't care.
I noticed you don't. Walk over here to this patrol car.
I understand you guys got this business going on. I know we've been causing disturbance.
Yeah.
I know it's
Well,
just been a
cheers.
little disturbance. I know. Listen, bro. I understand.
Don't call me bro. I'm
Sir, what is your name?
Officer Factor.
Officer Factor. I'm so sorry.
Mhm.
I'm usually on my stuff. I'm usually a very respectful kid. I'm so sorry that you had to deal with this tonight. I know we've been in disturbance. I know it's been a lot. You better come out here. She's been disrespectful. I've just been trying to get her in the car. I'm just trying to get her straight. I'm trying to get her right. I've been trying to take her home. I want to take us home. Like, make sure we're straight.
Yeah. So, how much have y'all to drink? I'm not stupid.
I know you're not stupid.
When was the last time you had something to drink?
Like a long time ago. My mom's a criminal. She's always in and out of jail.
Well, do you have anything that's gonna poke, prick, or stick me?
I don't have
Anything in your pockets?
I mean, you can fill.
I'm not going to. I'm just making sure that there's nothing in them.
Nothing.
No drugs, anything like that. What's in this key
I don't
pocket?
do drugs. Nothing's
there?
in my pocket. You
What's
can
this?
you grab it.
Is that your bikini bottom? Is what I'm asking.
Yes, if it's a bump, yes, it's my bottom. Look.
Okay. Anything, no ID on you in your back pocket?
Fuck. No, I don't have shit on me.
Because I've been trying to get her, which who is drunk, trying to get her in the car.
Oh, that's very apparent.
Okay, so I've just been trying to get her home, trying to take her home, trying to make sure she's straight.
Okay. Well.
That's my best friend.
Okay. How quick can you get a ride here? Because if you do not get a ride here, you're gonna go to jail for public intox.
I can get her right here really quick.
How far?
About
How old are you?
20 minutes, not over.
20 minutes?
Oh, you're fine. What's your birthday? When's your birthday?
2002.
I'm not old enough to be drinking, correct?
No, sir, I've only had
When's
3
your?
beers.
That's fine. What's your first name?
I'm just really nervous because I've never gotten in trouble.
Your first name's I'm just really nervous, or what's your real
It's
first
Haley.
name?
It's H-A-L-I.
You have your phone on you?
Yes, it's...
Let's go grab it so you can call somebody. What are you doing with the alcohol in the car too? So I've been drinking and driving.
Not me. That's just my friends.
Huh?
I've been driving.
This is
I've
done.
drank 3
This is
beers
done.
at the
Yeah.
lake, and she's been drinking in the car.
You got weed in there too, or what's
No,
that?
no,
Candle?
That's just a bag.
Okay.
The ice, and then we have a candle in there. Yeah.
You got extra
I'm a
set?
CNA.
Okay. Here, turn around for me. You're gonna be placed under arrest for public intox. Then put your hands behind your back.
You have a purse or a wallet you want to go with you?
Yeah, I do.
Where's it at?
You have anything else you can poke, prick,
Just
or
take
stick
the
me?
key and it's fine. No, obviously not, bro. I'm a CNA, bro. What do you
I don't
mean?
care what a CNA.
Okay, well, obviously not.
I asked
bro.
if you had
I
anything. I'm
literally
not.
told
Listen
you.
to me. Would you shut your mouth?
Okay, but
I'm
you're
asking
just
if you have
treating me
anything on
like
you.
I'm some criminal
You
or
are
something.
being one. You
Oh
violated a
wow,
public
wow.
offense.
I had 3...
警员注意到了他们的车上有2瓶百威啤酒，而女孩一直不停地强调自己是护士助理，似乎想以此证明她是值得信赖的人，或者说想让警员手下留情。
Yeah.
Like, come on now, let's go. Come on. What am I gonna do? Whoa. Let's have like a fucking
Continue to be
adult here.
disrespectful.
No, I wasn't disrespectful until you started being disrespectful to me. Come on now, you asked me what if I got a needle on me.
Oh, you're a CNA.
What am I
didn't ask you if you
okay?
had a needle.
What am I? You
Have a-
asked me if I had
have a
anything that
seat,
would
CNA.
poke you.
You're a
Have a
CNA.
seat.
You asked
Have
me
a
if I had
seat.
anything that would
Hey,
poke you.
take a seat.
You
She's a CNA.
Get out.
Because you don't know what to do?
Get out.
You don't know
Turn
what to
around.
do?
Turn
Turn
around.
around. I'm a
Around.
female. You're fucking laying hands on me?
Yeah, because you're not-
I'm a female.
Relax.
I'm
Stop.
19 years old. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Turn around.
Stop!
Turn around.
Stop touching me. I'm a kid, bro.
You take the cuffs off for it.
Kid.
Yeah, and you're acting like an ass.
Hey, bro. Y'all are corrupted as
You keep
I'm a kid, bro. I'm a kid.
Stop.
I'm a kid.
Oh God! God, bro, I'm good. I'm good. Hey, girl, put her in the car and that's it.
Stop
I'll
me,
get put your
bro.
her. Handcuff her. Get her in the car, please.
Jesus.
Stop backing up. I swear to God, I'm right. I swear to God, bro.
Why are you doing
Just
that?
shoot her. Do
Oh,
not
okay,
shoot
that's
her.
too tight. That's
Please.
too tight.
Well, you slipped the other one, so.
Please, do not
Stop
shoot her.
this.
Do not.
Stop moving!
You're moving me too tight. No, stop. No, I don't care, bro.
Jesus Christ.
You think because I'm cool, I'm corrupted, right? I'm cool, I'm corrupted, right? You're a piece of shit.
You're drunk.
I'm 19 years old. Call my dad.
I can tell.
No, because my dad's gonna tell you straight. I'm a kid. I'm 92 pounds.
Yep.
Anemic as and you keep putting hands on me like you're not shit.
Have a seat, CNA.
It's all recorded.
Seriously, you don't know what I am. You don't know what
Drunk.
I am. Don't
Drunk.
say shit.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You could just talk to me. Like, you could just simply.
I'm trying to, ma'am. But you guys start calling me a f***ing retard and everything else, I'm not going to talk to you.
But that's. I'll be honest with you. But that's only because you asked me if I had any needles on me.
I ask every person, do you have any knives, needles, or nuclear weapons on you? That's my spiel. I've been saying that for 16 freaking
I
years.
didn't know that.
Okay? Well, there's no need to tell me, hey, I'm a CNA, I'm a human being and everything else.
To me, as a normal human being, to
Yeah.
ask me.
I ask every normal human being the same question. It's a routine that I'm in, so that way if I ever have to go to court, I can say this is how I do my arrests every single
Not
time.
a cop. Okay.
Okay, you're a CNA, I know, but I don't tell you how to do your job, do I?
Right. But I also don't go up to random people asking them, do you have anything that's gonna poke you? Like,
I ask people because I don't like being
no,
pricked
sir.
with
No,
hypodermic
sir.
needles.
Sir, I don't even have pockets on me. I think
Okay.
you can tell that by me.
I can now. You do have pockets in your gym shorts.
No, I don't. I swear to God. I
Okay, then you don't.
don't. Ask them.
Okay.
In there. No shorts. No
So.
pockets.
Okay.
None. None.
But there's no need to kick the car either.
Right, because you have my best friend.
Because she's kicking and pinching us. Did you see that from this side of the car?
I do understand that because that's fucking.
I understand your best friend. And then you're yelling and kicking at my car, and then I'm going to have to deal with you.
Because no, you're not. I'm in between two car doors.
Well, now you are.
警员一直耐心地为女孩海莉解释他们的执法程序，海莉也不停地做着各种辩解。但是无论如何，未满21岁饮酒已是不争的事实。最终，因为未达到法定饮酒年龄，两个女孩都分别被指控持有低度啤酒和在公共场所饮酒，以及抗拒警察执法等3项罪名。